Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today we have rounded up some scrap wooden decoration ideas for you. Keep watching this video until the end to learn more about these projects that you can easily make out of scrap wood. Many people get too cocky when it comes to DIYs. They take on huge projects too early and they end up failing or hiring a professional to do it instead. Non-reliable sources may be at fault when they provide beginner projects that are not actually beginner friendly. We don't want to waste your time and money on something like that. So we have done the hard part for you and compiled the best woodworking projects for beginners. Expand your creative abilities with DIY scrap wood projects. Whether you are a rookie or an expert doesn't matter. Each project is an opportunity to learn something new. If you are inexperienced, you should know that woodworking comes with few hazards. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, the 4 biggest health risks in woodworking are lacerations, amputations, severed fingers, and blindness. Other risks include exposure to wood dust and finishing chemicals, which can cause skin and respiratory diseases. If you are new to woodworking, start with something small. You'd be surprised what you can make with wood scraps. We will show you plenty examples of DIY scrap wood projects that are fun and easy to make. The moment you start woodworking is when your scrap wood pile begins to grow. Slowly but surely, you have some scrap wood that you know what to do with. The fun part is that there's so much potential lying in the scrap wood pile. All it takes is some time, creativity, and work to turn your scrap wood into useful and gorgeous small scrap wood projects. And the best part about creating DIY scrap wood projects is that you don't even have to leave your house. You can just hop outside and whip up your next creation. How do you get free scrap wood? Now, if you don't have much wood in your scrap pile and you still want to take on some of these easy scrap wood projects, there is hope. Not to mention the cost of lumber is crazy these days, so here are several ways that you can get free scrap wood. Number 1. Craigslist, Letgo, and Facebook Marketplace. Keep your eyes peeled on the Craigslist, Letgo, and or Facebook Marketplace for people offering their free lumber. Number 2. Use pallet wood. Even if you can't find free lumber offered anywhere, there are always free pallets people are looking to get rid of. Several of these scrap wood projects were made with reclaimed pallet wood, but here's even more pallet wood projects to inspire you. Number 3. Take apart old furniture. A lot of people are giving away old furniture that no longer works for them or is damaged. You can simply recycle the wood from other furniture projects and make it into something new. Number 4. Ask at a construction site. Chances are that you can drive around and find some construction going on in your neighborhood. Several times the contractors don't have any need of scrap, so they will be more than happy if you take it off their hands. It never hurts to ask, of course. Never take anything without asking, and don't step foot on a site if the construction team is not present. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel. See you soon with a new video.